Okay, so this is Bonnie Burgess, attempt 2 at the second part. For some reason it keeps freezing halfway through my recording, so it doesn't finish uploading. But anyway, so let's try and get through this then so it doesn't time out. So this is my example of my quiz. Notice I've got a stimulus over here with some support questions. These types of questions here are multiple choice. Here I've got a matching section. Fill in the blanks. More multiple choice. Here's a numeric question. More multiple choice. Fill in the blanks, drop down menus, matching, more multiple choice, fill in the blanks, multiple answers or multiple select, multiple choice again, more stimulus, fill in the blanks, and then more multiple choice, and then I had a numeric answer in here somewhere. Let me find that really quick, sorry. Trying to go fast here and I'm messing up. Oh, there's the numeric answer. Okay, so I have at least 5 different types of things on the quiz. Okay, and so the preview part on it, because it said to click on student preview. So when I preview it, you can see that there's the test, there's the first question, and so it just walks through the questions that direction, so you can see that I have the information on there. Okay, and so it does have these drop down menus here for those. Okay, so that is my example of my test with the stimulus questions and the multiple banks. So I do want to show you also that I am using, I'll go here to the other test. Let's see, actually, I don't want to open the modules, I want to go to quizzes. So another test here where I'm using a test bank, showing that I can use a test bank. So if I use unit 1 here, showing that I'm making it so it's random. So if I click on edit on the test for the questions, I'm selecting from different test banks here. So I've set up test banks for the groups that these will choose different questions from each of those. Okay, so it randomizes the test so students don't get the same test, so they makes it a little bit more difficult, especially with online, to not cheat. Okay, so then a discussion board. So here's an example of a discussion board. Okay, so I've posted a discussion on here, and you can see that students have responded on here to this discussion, and then I responded to a couple of students on here. So here's open and asynchronous discussion on here. This is an open discussion board, so let me go back to another discussion board that that has posts from other students on it. That so you can see that they are doing asynchronous posting from each other. So here they are responding to each other. Okay, so this is showing the discussion board, and then doing graded assignments. So here, just a quick show here on this. That here I have an example of a lab, and they have the video on there, and then here's the lab rubric. Down here, so they have the lab rubric, and then we go to SpeedGrader, and then it shows that. Bring up the student here. That here is an example of what they've turned in, and viewing the rubric here, it shows how I've graded them using the rubric. So I think that this covers everything on that between the 2 different units. So the modules, I just really quick, I don't know if I covered the modules. So if we go here, I don't know what got cut up on the other video. So if I go here to the modules, you can see I've set things up into modules with links to everything on here. With prerequisites, you can click on here and edit and add prerequisites. I did not do that. I had them in there with this order that they had to view these items before they could go on. So when you set that up, though, because of the asynchronous learning with online learning in Salt Lake District, a lot of students were coming and going, so it just messed everybody up. So I stopped using those requiring the prerequisites, but that's how you put those in. So I hope that this answers all the questions, and so thank you.